Isabel, Pierre, come here, please. Let's practice, okay?
Okay.
Do you speak English?
I speak English a little bit from my classes in Haiti.
Good. My name is Mr. Tandy. What is your name?
My name is Pierre.
Welcome to our class, Pierre.
It's nice to meet you.
Pierre, I would like you to meet Isabel. Isabel, meet Pierre.
Hi, Pierre. It's nice to meet you.
Please say your name again.
Isabel.
Hello, Isabel.
Where are you from?
I'm from Haiti.
What is your last name?
My last name is Wesley. My middle name is Joseph. My full name is Pierre Joseph Wesley.
My middle name is Lucinda. My last name is Chang. My full name is Isabel Lucinda Chang.
What is your full name?
Okay, sit down, please.
Ouch!
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Mr. Tandy, when I see you, I say hello. Or, how are you?
Yes, those are called greetings. Greetings.
Only hello and how are you?
No, there are other greetings. Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's happening? How are you doing? There are others, but these are the common greetings.
Hey, Mr. Tandy.
Hi, Teresa.
How's it going?
All right, thanks.
What's up?
Nothing. What's up with you?
What's happening?
Not much. When you first meet a person, say, hello, it's nice to meet you. When you see a friend, use these greetings.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's happening? How are you doing? Yes, Teresa?
Where is Oscar?
Oscar is in Mexico.
Who is Oscar?
Oscar is a student in this class.
When is he coming back?
He is not going to return.
I'm sorry that your friend isn't here.
Oscar lives in Mexico. Where do you live?
I live in Baker, California. Where do you live?
Teresa, what day is today?
I don't understand.
What does today mean?
Today means this day. Today is Friday. Teresa, what day is today?
Today is Friday.
Sam, what is the date today?
What does date mean?
Date means month, number, and year.
Oh, the date is November 14th, 2003.
That's right. Today is Friday, November 14th. Today. Today. Today at night is called tonight. Tonight. Isabel, what day was yesterday?
Please repeat that, Mr. Tandy.
What day was yesterday?
What does yesterday mean?
Yesterday means the day before today. Yesterday was Thursday, November 13th. Yesterday. Teresa, what day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Thursday, November 13th.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Teresa, what day will tomorrow be?
Tomorrow will be Saturday, November 15th.
On your calendar, what day was yesterday?
What day will tomorrow be?
This is a month. Month. This is a week. Week. This month is November. This month is November. This month, last month, next month. Yes, Pierre?
Last month was October.
That is right. Last month was October. Teresa, what will next month be?
Next month will be December.
Good. Next month will be December. Yes, Sam.
This month is November.
This month? Last month? Next month.